Do you need to take a breathalyzer when driving in France? The short answer is, not anymore. In fact, I would argue that you never did. The law was first thought about in 2010, and although the law technically came into force, the fine for non-compliance never did. The fine was to be €11, but as far as I know, not one single driver was ever fined. Eventually, the French government saw sense and realized the law was never going to be enforceable, so it was finally scrapped. One thing that swayed them was the fact that these disposable breathalyzers in France are susceptible to extremes of temperature, and if left in a car's glove box on a very warm day, they would cease to work, so they would be rendered useless. In January 2013, the French government officially said that the introduction of a fine for not having an unused breathalyzer with you, which was to be €11, was postponed indefinitely. It's just one less thing the French police can pick fault with. Many British drivers are still under the impression they need them, even though they don't. Even when I explain to people they don't need them, they still want to buy them. I hope this video has answered your question about breathalyzers for France. If you want more information about driving in France, please subscribe to the channel.